What's up, everybody? It's James with the RC Air Shenanigans. We are out here with Jeremy from Banana Hobby.
Hi, guys.
And look what we're going to fly today. If it will undigitize. There we go. That is the AF Models 105mm F-22 Raptor.
Yes, so that's the newest release one.
Pow.
So what we're going to do is we're going to run it through the ringer for you guys, have a little bit of fun with it, and give you some good little views. So
sweet.
Hopefully you like it. The airplane's on pre-order right now, so go get one before they're all out of stock when they first go. So
man, this thing is sweet. Wait until you guys see this.
okay,
I don't want to stand in front of Jeremy.
Brakes
I'm going
on,
to get
throttle
around
up.
the back. Nice.
very weird air today.
Yeah, I was just gonna say that I had some earlier. Ooh, almost lost her. Yeah. It was super cold this morning and it just got hot fast, so there's all kinds of weird thermals right now. Wow! I'm pretty sure I mostly caught that.
I got it.
Crazy. Just had a spider crawling in my ear.